nag-ask why gi-adopt na mo si AJ considering na close relatives ra daw. Are we in good terms ba daw with his biological family? First time na ko nitilaw og kansi. Super lami ang kansi, guys. Oh my gosh. Anyway, gi-adopt na mo si AJ because kailangan. Kami as a family, we love to travel. By law, it's so hard to accompany a minor child mo travel if you're not the legal guardian or the legal parent. Luoy po ng bata, guys. Dagan kay instances nga si AJ gina-ask, nganong imo maigsuon reserva? Makinano man imo ang family name sa birth certificate. Guys, maluoy ko sa bata if ipa-explain pa nimo siya, oh, I'm not related to them by blood. Dapat ipaagi na lang adoption, diba? Tapos, dili man gina-issue sa amo ng mana-mana, guys. That's the least of our concerns because in the first place, hindi naman may na nakadato para ma-issue na. But, if, God forbid, it happens, luoy po ang bata if walay iyahan. At the end of the day, when we took him in, when he was 2 years old, guys, igsuon na ginamong tanaw sa iya. In fact, mas pilangga pa siya sa kong papa kaysa sa among tanan magsuon ko. So, point being, kailangan siya paagi illegal.